Place the steak in boiling water. I learned this at a 5-star steakhouse. In a medium saucepan filled with boiling water, add 4 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of rosemary, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, 1 tablespoon of salt, a 300-gram steak of any cut of beef of your choice, and let it cook for 10 minutes. After this time has passed, transfer the meat to a cutting board lined with paper towel and dry it very well. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Then, season with a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, flip the meat, and repeat the same process on the other side. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. Now, in a skillet over medium heat, add a generous drizzle of olive oil, the meat we prepared, and let it fry until golden on both sides. Have you got that recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type that recipe, and download it. This is the right point. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comments section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye-bye.